Hello, it's How To Not To, and today I'm going to be reviewing and demonstrating this mini tripod. It's the Joby GorillaPod and it comes in black charcoal, and I will be demonstrating this later on in the video. The reason I purchased this mini tripod is because I needed a tripod that can get low enough to the ground to enable me to shoot objects or animals at a lower level. And the tripod I'm currently using, which is the Manfrotto Compact tripod, it doesn't get low enough to the ground. So I've purchased this. It cost me around £50. So with that you get the Joby GorillaPod stand. The legs are very flexible and bendable, which allows you to attach it to poles, trees, etc. It has these rubber grips on the feet. You do have to fiddle around with the legs of the tripod to get the angle straight. So it's made out of plastic and the grip rings are made out of rubber. It has a custom stainless steel camera screw. You can grip it, wrap it and stand it. It's lightweight and portable. The tight grip is universal, so it should fit most smartphones. It has stainless steel plates slide, which lock. So this mounts to the Joby GorillaPod, and it also connects to other tripods via the stainless steel thread. The dimensions are 7.62 by 30.48 by 5.8 centimeters, and the weight of it is only 9.7 grams. Okay, I'm now going to slot in a mobile. So this is just a standard mobile I've got here. You can use it with or without a case. So you can secure any smartphone in the locking grip type mount. And it also you can also use small compact video cameras as well with this, and you can wrap it to almost any object. It did take me some time to mess about with the screws at the back to get it in position, but once you know how that works, then it's easy to use. So it can swivel and turn all the way like that, and of course you can stand it as well. It's adaptable, lockable, rotatable mounting stand for your smartphone. It has an easily adjusted tilt where you can tilt it at landscape or portable angle. So you can have the phone positioned horizontally or vertically in a portable position. And yeah, that's it. It's also very good to film on desktops, desktop surfaces if you want to film objects or whatever. So it's not going to hold a camera with a heavy lens or anything like that. It's ideal just for small compact cameras and obviously smartphones as well. I like the fact that it's small, lightweight, and it can easily fit in a bag without any problems. So you can grip it with your hand to take selfies, or if you're doing a YouTube video, this would be ideal for that. You can also mount it to another tripod with a standard attachment. So I've removed the grip ties from the tripod, and I'm now securing it to my Manfrotto tripod using the screws. So that's great. I can now use it on my Manfrotto tripod as well. So it has multiple uses. I like the fact that you can just quickly pack it up and just go out the door. I would use this for long walks or if I was travelling somewhere. So if you don't fancy taking a heavy tripod, then this is ideal. So I'm now going to test it outside in the garden, and I'm going to try and grip it onto this tree here. Okay, I'm just going to screw it, wrap the legs around the tree and secure it properly onto the tree by screwing it here. So this is very ideal if you are out and about filming. So if you're out and about filming, it does a really good job of recording in awkward, tight spaces, where a standard size tripod wouldn't be able to fit. And also if you need to be hands-free, or if you're recording yourself, it's perfect to do that. The legs can be contorted into various positions, and this is made possible by the ball and socket type joints that bend and rotate 360 degrees. The phone I'm using now is a Samsung Galaxy 4. Yes, Galaxy 4. I still have my S4 phone, which is still working fine for now. It also can get really flat on the ground like this, and you can see it shoots really well. Okay, finally I'm now going to test it on an Apple iPhone. So the grip type does expand to allow you to fit a larger phone. This one here is the Apple smartphone, the Apple iPhone. Yeah, so you can extend it to fit larger phones like the iPhone. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a like, and I'll see you in my next video.